national capital, where it's going to be the biggest political bout for the national capital. Now, with a few months to go for the 2025 elections, the Congress has now fielded former East Delhi MP and the son of former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, Sandeep Dikshit, all set to take on the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal in the New Delhi constituency. Now, it was Arvind Kejriwal who had defeated Sheila Dikshit in 2013 and then again in 2015. Now, in 2025 election, Sandeep Dikshit has been given the opportunity to extract political revenge for his mother's defeat. Sandeep Dikshit, in fact, has also been taking on Arvind Kejriwal and criticizing his politics for quite some time now. The Bharatiya Janata Party yet to announce its New Delhi candidate, but there is a lot of buzz that former West Delhi MP Pravesh Sahib Singh Verma may actually be fielded from the New Delhi constituency. And if this happens, then the contest in national capital with regards to the New Delhi constituency will be between the sons of two former chief ministers against Arvind Kejriwal.
बर्बाद तो खैर कोई अगर किसी ने किया है तो स्वयं अरविंद केजरीवाल ने किया है, तो वो किसी और पर क्या अंगुली उठाएं। हाँ, दिल्ली की जो कानून व्यवस्था है उसके बारे में कांग्रेस भी हमेशा से हम लोग इस बात का सवाल को रेखांकित करते रहे हैं और केजरीवाल से भी हम सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे कि आपका भी एक दायित्व बनता है। आप यहाँ की सरकार रहे हैं, आपने तो बल्कि शीला जी के समय में कहा था कि मैं शीला जी जैसा कमजोर मुख्यमंत्री नहीं हूं, मैं यहाँ की लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को ठीक कर दूंगा। तो आपके उस वायदे का क्या हुआ? फिर आप जो बार बार लोग अपेक्षा करते थे कि हर जगह स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग हो जाएगी, सीसीटीवी कैमरा लग जाएंगे जिस कारण से रोकथाम लगेगी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की, उसका क्या हुआ है?
अमित शाह जी से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, ये हो क्या रहा है? क्या आप मानते हैं कि आपसे दिल्ली नहीं संभल रही है और दिल्ली के लोग अब सुरक्षा के लिए किसके पास जाएं? महिलाओं से पूछना चाहता हूं, मैं अपनी दिल्ली की मां, बहनें, बेटियां, उनसे सबसे पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या आप सुरक्षित महसूस करते हो अपने आप को जब घर से बाहर निकलते हो? लक्ष्मी नगर की महिलाएं, पटपड़गंज की महिलाएं, ग्रेटर कैलाश की महिलाएं, जनकपुरी की महिलाएं, कोई भी पूरे दिल्ली में कोई भी महिला अपने आप को सुरक्षित महसूस करती है? चाहे मेट्रो में जाएं, चाहे बस में जाएं, 7 बजे के बाद अगर बेटी घर ना लौटे तो माँ बाप को चिंता हो जाती है, पता नहीं सुरक्षित होगी कि नहीं होगी।
My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, we have seen how the Delhi politics is now heating up. BJP on one side, the Congress also in the fray. No alliance between Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. But it seems like we will have Pravesh Sahib Singh Verma on one side, Sandeep Dikshit on one side, and they both will be fighting against Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, Aishwarya, if the BJP fields Mr. Pravesh Verma from the New Delhi constituency, it is certainly going to be one constituency which will, remain the focal point of the Delhi elections, like we had seen back in 2013 when Arvind Kejriwal had challenged the sitting Chief Minister of the national capital, Sheila Dikshit, and defeated her as well. This time around, it's an interesting battle already because Congress party has declared the name of 21 candidates and Sandeep Dikshit, son of former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit, has been fielded by the Congress party from the New Delhi constituency. So it is clear that as far as Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, it's going to be Arvind Kejriwal versus Sandeep Dikshit. So it brings back a lot of memories as well for the Delhi Walas. Also for Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party, Sandeep Dikshit has been one leader within the Congress Party who has remained critical, even when of the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal, and he was speaking against Aam Aadmi Party even when the Aam Aadmi Party was part of the India Alliance, fought elections in alliance with Congress Party in the national capital. So at around that time you had Sandeep Dikshit being critical of the Aam Aadmi Party on one instance or the other, but after the Lok Sabha elections were over, he went all guns blazing. So certainly it's going to be a mega battle in the New Delhi constituency at least. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us those details and putting everything in perspective, my colleague. Now, obviously saying that the one person within the Congress party who has been very, very vocal against Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party has been Sheila Dikshit's son, Sandeep Dikshit.